Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the stock charging handle on the Ruger PC Carbine with my aftermarket extended charging handle. Spoiler alert, it is just a screw on, screw off type of thing. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get a 5/32 Allen wrench, and we're going to take the screw off of the of the stock charging handle. Just like that. Next, we're going to take the extended charging handle and put the screw through like so. Get a bit of Loctite. I'm just using Blue Loctite 242. Don't need much, a drop is fine. Just a touch. Then now with my extended charging handle, it is very difficult to torque the screw this way. Most of the time your Allen wrench isn't long enough. And if you want to torque down the screw a little bit more, what I recommend is using a wrench. This is just a 3/8 inch wrench. And hook it over. Just give it a small snug. That's good enough. That's it, everybody. A nice extended charging handle. Easily accessible. Here's a comparison between the stock one on the right and the upgrade on the left. The total upgrades I have available for the Ruger PC Carbine includes the over travel limiter, the extended charging handle, the extended magazine release, as well as the barrel mounted optics rail. As per YouTube's new firearms policy, I cannot tell you guys where you can purchase these upgrades, nor can I tell you how much they cost. And I also cannot leave you a link in the description below as to where you can purchase this. However, what I can tell you is that my name is Kay, the name of my channel is Created by Kay, and this is the Ruger PC Carbine. In a completely unrelated note, Google is the world's largest search engine. That's it, everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.